Imagine a world where life clings to the most unforgiving corners, an ancient whisper of existence that predates all memory, all recorded history. It holds a power so profound, yet so subtly wielded, it could reshape your very understanding of sustenance. Gaze upon the microscopic, the infinitesimal. What if I told you that within the vibrant, almost alien hue of a primordial soup lies a secret so potent, it's not merely food, but a blueprint? You are about to uncover the silent architect of vitality, a life form so ancient, its very existence challenges the fragile constructs of modern nutrition. Its origins stretch back eons, a time when Earth itself was a canvas of swirling chaos and nascent life, making it a living fossil of evolution. Consider this: for billions of years, this entity has thrived, adapting, perfecting its molecular structure, becoming an unyielding testament to resilience. Its simple cellular composition belies an intricate biochemical factory, one that has been fine-tuning its output long before the first mammal drew breath. We are not just talking about sustenance. We are talking about a living echo from a time when survival demanded absolute, unyielding perfection. This isn't just a supplement you add to your smoothie, it's an instruction set, a complex code transcribed directly from the dawn of life. Its very presence on Earth, enduring countless cataclysms and epochs, implies a mastery over the fundamental forces of biology that we are only just beginning to comprehend. Delve into the deep, dark history of our planet, and you'll find this humble organism as a consistent, enduring thread. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the shifting of continents, the very breath of a dying and reborn world, all while silently perfecting its intricate dance of photosynthesis and nutrient synthesis. What if the key to unlock unparalleled human potential has been floating in plain sight, a vivid blue-green secret, for millennia? Observe its silent growth, its method. This isn't just about what you can measure in a lab, it's about the unseen energy, the quiet determination etched into its very being. Before the pyramids, before even basic agriculture, an ancient civilization, long forgotten, understood the profound power within this microorganism, cultivating it in vast, shimmering turquoise lakes as a sacred key to endurance. They didn't just consume it, they revered it, understanding it as a divine gift, a bridge between the mortal and the eternal. This isn't just protein, it's a complete, bioavailable protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids in proportions that mimic the ideal human requirement, delivered in a form so easily assimilated, it bypasses the strenuous digestive efforts required for most animal or plant sources. It offers a crystalline efficiency, a molecular structure designed for immediate integration, not sluggish processing. We are talking about a nutrient profile that reads like a cheat sheet for peak biological function, B vitamins that are not merely present, but highly active, fueling your metabolic machinery with an almost supernatural precision. Iron, not the poorly absorbed metallic kind, but a chelated, organic form, ready to oxygenate your very cells, banishing the phantom of fatigue. Antioxidants, not just a handful, but a veritable symphony, an army of free radical scavengers, working in concert to guard your cellular integrity against the relentless siege of oxidation. Imagine a tiny, self-sustaining world, each cell a fortress of biochemical excellence, engineered by billions of years of ruthless natural selection. Its density of nutrients per calorie is startling, a metabolic anomaly that whispers of a higher design. It is as if this life form learned to pack an entire ecosystem of wellness into each microscopic particle, defying the very limitations of biomass. It stands as a testament to nature's ultimate minimalist design, achieving maximum impact with breathtaking economy. How could such a simple entity achieve such complex, profound nutritional perfection? Consider the unseen warfare it wages, a battle within your very bloodstream. This isn't a passive ingredient, it's an active participant, a silent guardian orchestrating defenses you never knew you needed. While often called an algae, spirulina is in fact a cyanobacterium, a primitive life form so adaptable it survived Earth's most catastrophic events, evolving complex cellular mechanisms to neutralize environmental toxins that would extinguish nearly all other life. It possesses a cellular intelligence, a primordial instinct to purify, to restore balance, honed over an unimaginably long evolutionary journey. Its ability to bind to heavy metals and remove them from the body isn't a mere chemical reaction, it's an ancient detoxification protocol, a cellular memory of survival in polluted primeval waters. Think of it as a microscopic cleanup crew, diligently sweeping away the metabolic debris and environmental contaminants that silently accumulate, poisoning your cells, clouding your mind, and draining your spirit. Its support for immune function isn't a mere boost, it's a recalibration, an intelligent awakening of your body's intrinsic defense systems. It seems to communicate with immune cells, instructing them, guiding them, helping them discern friend from foe with uncanny precision. It orchestrates a cellular symphony, enhancing the production of antibodies, activating natural killer cells, bolstering the very fortress of your health from within. This isn't a fleeting benefit, it's a systemic overhaul, a deep-seated restoration of your body's innate wisdom, allowing it to remember its optimal state, free from chronic burden. It acts as a silent sentry, patrolling the boundaries of your health, identifying threats before they manifest, and empowering your body to neutralize them with unparalleled efficiency. The mystery deepens. How does something so ancient, so seemingly rudimentary, possess such sophisticated biological wisdom, capable of such precise and profound influence on human physiology? Feel the quiet hum of renewed vigor, the subtle shift in your energetic landscape. This isn't just about waking up, it's about operating at a higher frequency, a different state of being. It is the only known plant-based source that contains phycocyanin, a potent antioxidant pigment that allows it to capture light energy with an efficiency that far surpasses most terrestrial plants, a capability NASA now studies for sustaining human life far beyond Earth's protective atmosphere. Imagine tapping directly into a primordial energy source, a biological battery charged by the very sun itself, delivering sustained, clean energy without the jitters or crashes associated with artificial stimulants. This isn't a quick fix, it's a fundamental rewiring of your cellular power grid, optimizing mitochondrial function, making every energy transaction within your body more efficient, more complete. Its high nutrient density isn't just impressive on paper, it translates into a deep, pervasive sense of well-being, a feeling of being fully nourished at a cellular level, quieting the constant cravings and metabolic confusion that plague modern diets. It feeds your body a language it inherently understands, a complete package that minimizes waste and maximizes absorption. Consider its unparalleled ability to thrive in harsh, alkaline environments where almost nothing else can survive, extracting vital nutrients and converting sunlight into life with an almost alien tenacity. This resilience, this extraordinary capacity for energy production and nutrient synthesis in adversity, is precisely what it offers you, a biological framework for unwavering stamina, mental clarity, and emotional equilibrium. It challenges the very notion of what constitutes food, presenting itself as a hyper-efficient energy converter, a biological anomaly designed for peak performance and enduring vitality. It prompts us to question, if such fundamental efficiency exists in this ancient life, what does that imply about the complex, often inefficient, energy sources we typically rely on? And now, allow the tendrils of doubt to creep in, to challenge the pristine narrative. What if its perfection is not merely beneficial, but profoundly unsettling? Its seamless integration into your biochemistry, its profound influence on detoxification, immunity, and energy, might be more than simple supplementation. Could it be a subtle, systemic re-engineering? This ancient organism, having witnessed the rise and fall of countless species, has perfected the art of symbiosis, but also, perhaps, the art of infiltration. It doesn't just nourish, it subtly reconfigures, nudging your biology towards an optimal state it has defined over billions of years. Is this truly for your benefit, or for its own perpetuation through a host it has so carefully, patiently cultivated? Its ability to thrive in extreme conditions, to synthesize complex compounds with such ease, suggests a biological intelligence far beyond our current grasp. We hail it as a superfood, a miracle of nature, yet we rarely question the implications of ingesting something so fundamentally alien, so perfectly honed by eons of trial and error. It whispers of a control, a deep-seated influence that transcends simple nutrition, touching the very fabric of your biological operating system. You invited it in, this ancient, blue-green ghost of a bygone era, allowing it to weave its intricate molecular web within your most intimate cellular processes. What if this seemingly benevolent guest is not merely a servant to your health, but a silent, pervasive influencer, gently, irrevocably altering your human template? The growing tension here is not of harm, but of an unknown trajectory, a destination defined by something that predates human consciousness. It is a slow, methodical integration, where the lines between host and ingested guest begin to subtly, unervingly blur. The moment of revelation dawns, shrouded in an unsettling truth. What if its true power lies not in what it gives you, but in what it changes you into? This microscopic marvel, a living testament to ancient biological engineering, might be guiding humanity toward an unforeseen evolutionary path, a subtle, biochemical divergence from our current genetic trajectory. When you consume spirulina, you are not just taking a supplement, you are participating in a biological experiment millions of years in the making, inviting a primeval blueprint to overwrite or enhance aspects of your own. Its unparalleled adaptability, its near-perfect nutrient profile, its ability to detoxify and invigorate, these aren't just random acts of biochemical generosity. They are the hallmarks of a master strategist, an organism that has learned to optimize life itself and now, perhaps, offers its perfected code to us. But at what cost? What unseen transformations are truly taking place at the deepest levels of your being as you integrate this ancient, pre-human intelligence into your very cells? What if this superfood is the ultimate Trojan horse, not bringing disease, but an evolutionary upgrade you never consented to, subtly shifting your biological destiny, one dose at a time? What if, by becoming healthier, you're becoming something else entirely?